Claire, say wee.
Like, I don't know if this is weed at. This doesn't feel weed.
Is Claire having fun?
Welcome back, please. Right, these are the Raccoon 6 Base down. Once the Raccoon 6 Base stop, you may go at the green gate to the door, all right? Please, are ready seated? Wait, wait.
No, no, no. Stay buckled.